Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple apps at the same time on your Google Pixel phone. So you can just hold down on an icon here, and you should be able to remove and delete it from your home screen. So that's how you can do a single one, but we can go to Settings, right here, scroll on down, go to System, then go to Software Updates, and go to App Update. And right here we can see the system information, the amount of space we have. We can choose this, and now we can see all these different apps. So we can go by size and sort these, or at least use. That's a good way to delete them too. And then we can just go through here and we can start check marking them. So check, 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 check. So I don't know if I want to delete these actually. So you can just highlight the ones you want to delete. Let's go to the least used and see if there's anything on there. Google Docs. You know, don't really use that. Google News, don't really need that ever. Google Translate, I'll use. Maybe this QR code thing I don't use. So we can delete them now. Just go to Uninstall. And then you don't have to delete them one at a time. So you can delete multiple apps at the same time. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.